Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to find Coinbase wallet recovery phrase. Now, to get your recovery phrase is pretty easy as far as you're on the Coinbase wallet. So all you need to do is simply open up your Coinbase wallet. And now with the Coinbase wallet opened up, please note that your secret recovery phrase has to be kept a secret. So otherwise you stand a risk of losing your tokens and assets on your wallet. NFTs can be stolen, tokens can be stolen when you misplace or mishandle your secret phrase. So please make sure you store it in a safe area. Now, if you were to head to the gear icon, which is the settings option at the bottom right, and you simply scroll and you'd find address one that says recovery phrase, profile, connections, and more. So click here, and then you're met with the recovery phrase option. So click on recovery phrase. And once you selected the recovery phrase, you'd now be asked to allow your recovery phrase to be copied, or you now be asked to allow access to the recovery phrase so you can view it. So click on allow, and now you're met with the option. This is the recovery phrase option. As you can see here, you could easily copy your recovery phrase to your clipboard or back it up on your Google Drive by selecting a Google option. So guys, that's how you could easily find your recovery phrase. Please make sure you store your recovery phrase in a safe area and do not mishandle it. Otherwise, you stand a chance of losing your tokens. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.